Good morning. This is Fat Girl Fight Back. Excuse my hair. I look a hot mess this morning, but I wanted to come at you guys early. Today is meal prep day, and I am seriously like lost. I don't know what I should meal prep. Um, I'm really thinking about doing turkey burgers and something called dirty rice, but it's like chopped up cabbage and beef, but I'd use turkey with some Cajun spices. I'm thinking about doing that just to change it up a little bit, but I just don't know. Well, I know. Okay, so I just don't know how that's going to taste together. But I have also chicken breast that I'm going to make. Um, I don't know. I'm just. It's early. Like I haven't even went to the store yet. It's like 10, almost 10 o'clock. And I'm just still sitting here, contemplating on what I want to cook. Um, I don't know. I don't know what I want to cook, but I do want to go over my day yesterday. I did get my puppy. He is a doll baby. I'm going to post a picture of that, um, a video of that. But I also went shopping yesterday, and because I told you all that I'm going to Vegas, the week. My birthday's the 13th, May 13th, on Mother's Day this year, and then the 16th I leave for Vegas. It won't be back until the 20th. So, um, yeah. So I went shopping yesterday, and I always tend to give Torrid all my money. I went to Charlotte Russe. I was shopping with Charlotte Russe, Ashley Stewart's, and also Torrid. And Torrid right now has a fantastic clearance sale. You buy one, get two free. And yeah, like some of their stuff is really mainly like all clo- fall clothing, and then it's some spring stuff. But they have hella jeans, and then also like hella shorts that are on sale. So I got like three pair of shorts. And what's crazy is that it doesn't matter how much weight I lose, I cannot find a belt. Because my jeans I get from Charlotte Russe are a 26, but they're loose, and I'm afraid to go down to a 24 on the fact that they may not fit, because the 26 they're really really loose. Like when I take two or three steps, they're sliding down. I'm just so all day, every day, I'm pulling up my pants, right? But I cannot find a belt. I went to Torrid and got the biggest belt there is there. Can't fit it, and I don't know why. Like I don't have an ass. Well, I have butt, but it's not like huge. And then my stomach has went down substantially. You know what I'm saying? So I just don't know why I can't find a belt. Like where do you ladies shop at for belts? And why is it so freaking hard? Or am I not pulling my pants up far enough? Like, I don't know. My belly has been so big and um so big for so long. Maybe I'm just putting my pants in the wrong area. Because before I'm so used to a muffin top. Now I don't have a muffin top. It's like my pants are damn near up to my fucking breast. Is at my waist. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like, I don't know. Because I know when I do measurements, I do right up below my bust, my waist, and then I guess I do the circumference from like my butt and my belly and stuff like that. So I guess that is my waist up there. Um, it's early. It's early. So just yeah. So yesterday I went shopping and I went to the movies, and I seen Avengers: Infinity War. Infinity War. Excuse me. I just don't know how to feel. Like literally, the walk out of the theater was like. Because I even sat there through all the credits because nobody got up. They was like, no, it has to be more to this. So we sat through the credits, and then that little scene happened. I was just like, what the fuck? Then, oh shit. Then the walk out the theater was just like, everybody was just like, what the fuck just happened? Like, what the fuck? So they need to hurry up and make another fucking movie. Like, the movie was great. That was a great ass fucking movie until the end. And I was just like, the fuck? Why in the fuck? But yeah, so I didn't get home until late, and But I'm really just trying to give a recap of my day. I'm trying to think of everything else that I did. Oh, so I never knew that PetSmart and Petco gave out like insurance for puppies or animals. I think that is so fucking cool. So instead of me having, because I have Izzy on my insurance at work, this is random as fuck, but like Petco is amazing. But I went in there because after I got Bash, I went in there and I tried to get him like some dewormer and stuff like that. And none of sleep, Izzy. Walked out of that motherfucker. Walked out of that motherfucker paying like I had three fucking things, $100, and I said, "Whoa, what the fuck?" Like, I was just so disappointed at the price of everything in there. But yeah, I was just like, what? But I love the fact that they have insurance and also a veterinarian that sees puppies at the 6 week mark without any shots or anything like that. This is my first time actually buying an animal. Uh, buying an animal that wasn't already registered and had shots and shit like that. So I feel like I just did like an underground adoption. I don't know. It feels kind of fucking weird, but no, he's a let me show you him. He's a big ass puppy. He's sleeping right now. Bash. He's just so cute. Okay, Izzy. Yeah, so that's what I'm dealing with right now. I took him for a walk. That's why he's asleep. And I'm just really just trying to figure out what I'm gonna meal prep. I think I'm gonna do those 2 items, but I don't know. This is just really a random video. I just wanted to get on here and just talk for a little while. The last few videos last week were kind of down. It was by my sister, and I woke up in a different spirit. Yesterday, a little bit, and then today, I feel a little better about the situation, but it's still an issue, but I can't keep letting it get to me because I feel that it's going to always get to me because it's my baby sister, but as far as I'm letting it take a toll on me. So I'm just trying to be, the puppy has me woke and just there. Izzy always has me like that. But you know, now that she's home and she's was checked out and everything and she's going to get help, I feel a little better. Why did the light change in here? I feel better. But it's still a scary situation because back at home where I'm from, you know, I gave Bash attention. I didn't give her any. But come on, Izzy, sit down right here. You can do the video with me. So back at home, there's a lot of missing people, missing women and children. And the detective told my mom, like, just get ready for the worst. And that was like some scary ass news that like I'm so far away. And to hear that is just like, and then she calls, she gets away from whoever had her, gets away, and she's able to call for help. It's just like, what the fuck? Like, it's crazy. So, but yeah, this is Fat Girl Fight Back. I'm actually I'm going to get up and go to the store right now and get the meal prep things that I need. Yeah. Hope you guys are having a fabulous Sunday. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. And I will talk to you guys later. She's so spoiled.